Hello guys, how to get Kade Engine for Friday Night Funkin'. You're gonna search up Kade Engine. Game Banana. Once you're on Kade Engine Game Banana, you're gonna go here and click on 1.4 whatever. Or actually just go back real quick. Now you're gonna go to GitHub. And where is it? Oh, that's for the issues. Hold on. So you're gonna scroll down. Oh, source code. And then here, 1.5.4 release of Kade Engine. You're gonna click right here. It will take a while. It's a RAR file, so you're gonna have to extract it. So once it's done, you're just gonna go to your folder, gonna go to download, and you're gonna whatever you have. Extract files. Extract. Now you should have Kade Engine. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it up, and here you go. Here's Kade Engine. As you can see, Kade Engine right here. It looks so cool. New update. Yeah. Anyways, it's so cool. It has this thing, Friday Night Funkin' Kade Engine. So, I mean, you could play around with it. You could, I don't even know. You could play around. You could go to gameplay, key binding, DFJK. You could do DFJK, which I'm gonna do, because I want to. You could like just mess around, like. Oh, you could do School Evil. Song data. Okay, it's probably not gonna be like
3, 2, 1, go!
What the? Oh wait, it's DFJK. I remember. 3, 2,
1, go!
Yeah. No more left. And right is gonna be like that. Left. Right. No more beeps. You gotta put a beep 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 beep. Beep bop beep bop. Beep. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna do 3, 2, 1. What the freak? Bruh, 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 bruh. Left, right, left, right. Beep, bop, beep, bop. Yeah, it's just his tablet. Yup. Zen. Okay. Anyways, that's it. That's how you download Kade Engine. Bye.